in this video because you are stumped on the sign up process and you're not able to get past something for some reason or another. Let me share with you a couple things that most people will get stumped on. The first thing is all of this information. We need all of this information. It's used for something within the software. And so you say, why do you need the church name? Well, you need the church name because it shows up to your church members as they search for your church in the app. And you're just going to give the administrator's first and last name also. And so the other thing is this address here. This is searching Google. So you don't have to just search the address. You can also search for your church. So for instance, if your church shows up on Google Maps, you can just search for the name of the church and it'll likely pop up, and you can make sure it's the right one, and then you can click on that one. If your church isn't on Google Maps, you can go ahead and just search for the address of the church, and you're going to want to put that in there. This is necessary because it's used in the app again for locating your church by your church members when they search in the app. And so that's necessary. The other thing that people get stumped on is this card information. So you need the card number, and then once you fill out the card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit code on the back of the card, you also have to put in the billing zip code for that credit card. Okay, and that's one thing that a lot of people accidentally miss before they hit the submit, and then it's a really hidden little thing. And so make sure you fill all that information out if you're getting stumped on the sign up process. And so if you're stumped on anything other than those things, my cell phone number is actually on the bottom of this form. Just call me instantly and I can help you out, and I can help you get situated if you're stumped. And so now maybe you're past this point and you are trying to actually just log in, and you're on this page. So there's a few things that you're going to do to log in. Is once you sign up, you're going to get an email verification. If your email verification never shows up, one, consider, did you possibly type in your email wrong, which is a possibility. And so if you type that in wrong, when you try to log in with your email that you just filled out, what you're going to get, I'll show you here. If I change this to another email and I try to log in with the email I made and the password, and I hit log in, there's no account associated with this email. So I know if I'm now typing it right and I had typed it wrong before, I'm going to get a notification that tells me there is no email. And so that means I probably typed it wrong. If you typed it wrong, the easiest way to solve this problem yourself is just sign up again. You won't be billed twice for having two accounts. The billing does not start until you verify your email. And so go ahead and just sign up again and type your email in right. You can also reach out to us and we can try to manually resolve the issue, but the best bet is just to sign up again and type your email in right. And so if you're still not getting the email verification, then of course you can reach out to us, but you can also just try to log in again. If you haven't fulfilled the email verification process and you're typing your email in right this time, you're going to get a notification that'll pop up and say, you need to verify your email. When you get that, it also sends another email verification email. And so you can go to your email inbox and check and see if you got it the second time. If that doesn't work, then just call me. You know where my phone number is. It's on the bottom of the registration page and everywhere else that we can put it. And so just give me a call. We can help you get situated. If you're having this issue and it's a system issue, this is something we actually really want to know about. So please reach out to us and we'll get you in. And so that's typically the sign up process and getting your church registered. These are the errors that most people run into. If you're running into something else, that's not common, please just call me at any point. I want to make sure that's very clear. Now, just to keep in mind, this is for registering your church. This would not be for the mobile app sign up. The mobile app sign up is has a very different purpose. That's what your church members will use. They'll create an account, but they're going to be searching for your church. And so basically you're registering your church here so that when they search for your church, that it's there and it shows up and they can actually use the app that you've made available to them. So hopefully this helps you. And like I said, don't hesitate to call me anytime or text me or chat with us on the website. Thank you for using the Soul Winning app. Have a great day.